Hey guys, it's Dr. Blake, and this week on Change Your Buds with the Cooking Doc, we're going to talk about a two-step process called changing your buds. Changing your buds is not the tagline to some fad diet. It's a fundamental change in the way you think about and taste food. And if done correctly, it's a change that can stick with you for the rest of your life. As a doctor, one of the most important things that I see is when people can make changes in their diet because it has such a profound effect on their underlying health. And so there is nothing more exciting to me than when a patient or a person can make healthy and sustainable changes to their diet that can improve their overall health in so many ways. The problem is that oftentimes people make changes that are short-lived. They follow a fad diet, or they make drastic changes in their diet that they can't sustain. That's a long-term recipe for failure. The key is to find a diet and a way of life that can stick with you and that you can continue to follow forever. Here's the problem that I suspect a lot of you are facing. You're ready to make the change to eat healthier food, but every time you look at a food that is called healthy, you skip right over it because you think the unhealthy options will be so much better when you go to eat it. This may happen to you at the grocery store when you're walking down the aisles. It may also happen to you at a restaurant. You're looking through the menu, there's a healthy option, there's an unhealthy option, and that unhealthy option just looks so much better to you than the healthy option that you make a choice that isn't in the best interest of your overall health. Believe me, I've been there. Or you make the choice to get that healthier food, but when it comes down and sits right in front of you, or when you get that healthy food at home and you actually cook it, it tastes so bland that all you can think is, man, I'm never going to order that healthy food again. So the next time you're faced with an option of what type of food to choose, you'll end up reverting back to your old habits and choosing the unhealthy food. But what if I told you there was a way to train your taste buds and your brain so that the healthier food is not only the better option for your body and your health, but also is the tastier option as well? The key is changing your taste buds. Changing your buds is not the tagline to some fad diet. It's a fundamental change in the way you think about and taste food. And if done correctly, it's a change that can stick with you for the rest of your life. Through a two-step process, we can teach your brain to connect the flavors of healthier foods with the parts of your brain that appreciate pleasure. Step one is rewiring your brain so that you associate the healthier flavors of things like fresh spices and fresh citrus and fresh vegetables with the parts of your brain that experience pleasure. Now, I'm not talking about enjoying a plain rice cake as much as you would enjoy a chocolate cake. And I'm not talking about enjoying raw broccoli as much as you would a French fry. Obviously not. And that brings us to the other step in this process. The other step is teaching yourself to cook food in a way so that you can bring out delicious flavors from healthier options. Changing your taste buds this way and rewiring your brain doesn't happen overnight. Neither does learning how to become a gourmet chef. Both your cooking skills and the patterns in your body that appreciate delicious food have developed over years and years and years. And in order for us to make those changes last forever, we've got to make sure that you do it in a sustainable way. That's what changing your buds is all about, and that's what Changing Your Buds with the Cooking Doc is all about. My goals and my mantra and the whole reason that I am Dr. Blake, the Cooking Doc, and my show is Change Your Buds with the Cooking Doc, is so I can give you the encouragement and I can give you the tools so you can go home and you can learn to change your taste buds in a way that creates meaningful change and meaningful health benefits for the rest of your life. And learning to cook deliciously healthy food will make that change so much easier. You'll also notice other positive benefits as you make these changes. You'll feel better. You'll have more energy. You may even lose weight. These are things that go along with eating healthier foods and conditioning your body to appreciate the flavors of healthy food. And as you associate these changes of feeling better with eating healthier food, it will be positive reinforcement. You'll see how much you feel better when you make these changes, and it'll encourage you to continue to make these changes over time. I've worked really hard and I'm really excited to share what I've learned about changing your buds with you. I'm so excited for you to head over to my website and download the first part in the Change Your Buds guide. This is your first step in making this meaningful change that will stick with you for the rest of your life. Hit me up on social media with the hashtag #ChangeYourBuds. Show me what you're cooking. Show me how you're changing your life. We'll see you next time.